So you're looking to start an online business, but you're wondering which one should you pick? Well, I started my first online business back in 2012. Throughout all of these years, I've been starting and creating and scaling multiple different online businesses and brands, and I think I have the answer. I know which is the best online business you can start. And now before I give you the answer, let's take a look at factors that will determine which is the best business for you. If you're a beginner, if you're just starting out, you need to look for a business that has very low or zero upfront cost, meaning that you don't have to invest from your hard-earned money. At least this was the case with me when I was starting out. I didn't have enough money, so I was looking for something that I can start without any investment on my side. The second aspect is very important and a lot of people neglecting it, and this is the availability or the possibility for scale. A lot of businesses, you can only scale them to a certain level. So I always say to people, look for businesses that you can scale to hundreds, thousands, and even tens of thousands of dollars per day. Whereas with a restaurant, you cannot scale the restaurant to hundreds of thousands of dollars per day. You can only scale it to a certain level because you have a certain amount of people that can visit your restaurant. And for me, the third aspect of a business to start online is the possibility for automation. That's very, very important. And this is what I do with my businesses. I try to leave them to manage them on their own. Another aspect of a business that you should look for when you're starting it, to see if there is a potential for growth. Not your growth, but is there a demand? Are people going to be interested in that business? Or is this business here to stay? All of these factors that I just rolled out, I can share for a fact that the best online business you can start is affiliate marketing agency. Not affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing agency. And I'm gonna show you why and how. I've been doing affiliate marketing for all of these years. Secondly, I've been generating hundreds and even thousands of dollars on a daily basis with affiliate marketing. And thirdly, the New York Times reached out to me via email asking me to give advice to their readers on how to start an affiliate marketing business. And if you've been following this channel for quite some time, you know that I know what I'm talking about, because in my other videos, I have way more technical stuff that are for advanced affiliate marketers or advanced business owners. This video is dedicated for people like you looking to start an online business that is profitable, that is easy to start, that is hassle-free, and that requires zero upfront investment, zero technical skills, and no prior experience. Another benefit of affiliate marketing is that by Forbes magazine, 80% and more of the companies worldwide are using some type of affiliate marketing. This number is set to increase. On top of that, affiliate marketing is an industry that has grown from $1.6 billion in 2010 to $8.2 billion in 2022. So it has grown 8 times for the past 12 years. But that's not all. Take a look at this graph that you see on your screen. In the last year alone, in 2023, it actually doubled and tripled the revenue from $8 billion to $13 billion. So there is a huge opportunity. Think about it. You need 0.00001% out of these $13 billion. And today, this is what I'm going to show you. So step number 1 to create an affiliate marketing agency is to decide in which category or niche you want to be. I recommend you start with something that you already have interest, something like a hobby. For example, if you're into skiing or snowboarding, or maybe you're into coaching or real estate, start with this because you already have the expertise in skiing or snowboarding. You're going to be familiar and you can talk the language of your prospects. Now, after you have stopped on a category, I want you to go to a website called trends.pinterest.com, type the keyword, let's say skiing or snowboarding, and see if it's trendy. This is basically to validate your affiliate marketing niche or category. So after you have validated that, next step is to find an offer to promote. You can use a website called clickbank.com. On this website, you can find multiple different affiliate offers. Here are some important facts you have to take into consideration when you're picking an offer. First, there are 2 types of offers, digital and physical. I recommend you go with a digital offer because you're going to remove the hassle of shipment. Even though you're not shipping the product, the vendor has to ship the product, and there can be some added costs to that. And on top of that, the product can be damaged through the shipment and the wait time is huge. So you might wait a little bit more to get your money out of the vendor. So always go with the digital product because the money transfer is instant. The customer buys the product, receives the product immediately, and you receive your money immediately. That's the first aspect. Second aspect is to look for products with high profit margins. There's thousands of products. Some are paying $20, some are paying $50. What I recommend is look for products or offers, affiliate offers, that will pay you more than $70, $80. The best case scenario is to look for offers that will give you $100 or more. These are usually high ticket courses or high ticket coachings. The next aspect you should look for, and which I recommend, is to look for POO. These are private offer owner, meaning yes, on ClickBank you can find good products, good offers, but you can look for influencers that they have their own offer. For example, I have my own offer called Commission Jumpstart, where I teach people how to start making money on ClickBank, how to create a business around ClickBank, and I also have an affiliate program dedicated to this course, which pays my affiliates $150. And you can see that one of my affiliates just hit $800 in his first week. The price of the course is $300 and I pay 50% to my affiliates, which is $150 for you. The next thing is to make sure that the offer vendor has a support page, or he's willing or she's willing to help you out make money. For example, on Commission Jumpstart, when I see that you start promoting my program or my product, I will immediately send you an email if you need some help, if you need some marketing materials, do you need videos, images, etc. And as you can see, this email that I sent here recently to one of my affiliates, telling them, hey, I see you started promoting my product, let me help you make more money, because if you make more money, I make more money, so it's a win-win for both of us. So I recommend you hit up the support page or contact the vendor, and if they're willing to help you out, that's a very good green flag. And finally, the final aspect of a great affiliate offer is the money back guarantee. Every affiliate offer has a money back guarantee. Every offer online has money back guarantee. Make sure that the product or the offer you're promoting has a good money back guarantee, so your customer, your prospect, would have zero hesitation to purchase the product, because if the product or the offer is not good, they can request a refund. For example, in Commission Jumpstart, my money back is, I believe, one of the strongest on the internet, because not only I will refund you in full, but I also will PayPal you another $100 on top of your money that you spent for your wasted time. This is how strong I believe in my program, and this is how strong I believe that my program and my course is one of the best out there. And you can see that it's a statement on my website on Commission Jumpstart at the bottom of the page. Third step of creating an affiliate marketing agency is to create a simple website. This is going to be your brand. Just go on Namecheap, find a domain name associated with your niche or category. Just buy a domain name. Some of them are $2 to $3, some of them are $10. This is going to be your brand. Find a tool that is going to build a simple landing page, such as Clickera.com or ClickFunnels. I use Clickera. I might be a little biased, but Clickera is free tool to use, so you can sign up for free and create a simple landing page. This landing page is going to be where you're going to drive the traffic, which I'm going to show you in just a second how you do that. But on this landing page, on this website, you don't have to show people that you're selling something. You have to solve a problem on this landing page. For example, in my case, on Commission Jumpstart, this is again landing page for the course. I show people what is the problem, what problems they might have, how to solve this, what strategies they can use, etc. And I help them on the actual page. And I'm actually giving them valuable information to have the reason to buy the course. And if you're wondering how to create that landing page, I have a video down in the description below that explains exactly how to create it. So you can watch it right after you finish watching this one. Fourth step of you starting this affiliate marketing business is to create a following, to generate audience. Now, there are two types of audiences: organic, free traffic, or paid traffic. I've been using both of them. I'm gonna show you the paid traffic. I've been using Facebook ads. Facebook ads are great because it allows you to see results instantly within a few days. And this is actually what I teach in Commission Jumpstart. I teach people how to use Facebook ads to drive traffic to ClickBank affiliate offers, and this is the way we make money. And now, if you don't want to spend money or you don't have money to spend on Facebook ads, you can create social following by creating an Instagram account, TikTok account, or even a YouTube account. And now, you don't have to be a YouTube creator, or you don't even have to show your face on YouTube. For example, one of my students created 2 YouTube Shorts channels. One is for software reviews and the other one is for course reviews. He basically reviews any courses with YouTube Shorts for 30 to 60 seconds. He talks about the course. Is it any good? Is it any worse? And this is good because it helps people to determine if they want to buy this course or not. So this is what you can do without showing your face. You can just hold your phone and record your screen on your laptop, and that's it. It's simple as that. I've personally have created a bunch of TikTok accounts for different niches. For example, I have called Greg's Homestead, and this is about gardening. I have even a blog that talks about gardening tips, healthy lifestyle, etc. So we created a TikTok account to show people how to do gardening, and then we present them with an offer. And the final step, the fifth step, is to turn these affiliate marketing campaigns into a real business, into agency. How do you do that? Well, by collecting your own audience, by creating a community. And the best way to do that is set up a lead magnet to capture people's emails, because once you capture capture people's email. This is going to be your asset. Once you have the email, you now have a business, because without the emails, you don't have the business. You don't own the business. For example, if you create a YouTube channel and you have huge following, for example, hundreds and even thousands of subscribers, you don't own these subscribers. YouTube does. It's the same with TikTok and Instagram. So the most important step is to generate emails. How you do that? Again, you can use Clickera to set up a lead opt-in page. Give something for free, valuable content to your prospects. That can be an ebook or a video or a PDF. For example, if you go to rossminchev.com, you can see that on my website, I have a lead magnet that is an actual ebook. It's called ClickBank Goldmine. And this ebook people can download for free by leaving their email address. And if they like what they read in the book, they have an option to sign up for my course. If you have decided to go and promote a commission jumpstart, I allow you to use my ebook for free. Back in the day, it was only reserved for me. I didn't allow it to anyone to use my ebook. But nowadays, I'm like, well, whatever. I mean, if you're gonna make money, we both make money. So you can use the ebook for yourself. Just go to my website, download the ebook, ClickBank Goldmine, and then you can reuse it for your own lead magnet. And what's the purpose of collecting these emails? Once you have the audience, once you have people's emails, later on you can start promoting them multiple different offers over emails. But don't overdo it. Always send free value first and then ask them to buy something from you. For example, you can send them multiple different ebooks, PDFs, video materials, etc. And then sprinkle this, let's say, email newsletter with affiliate offers for different products. People can smell when you're just trying to sell them something. So instead, try to offer them value. Try to solve a problem. Try to help them. And then offer them to buy something from you. And so you already know how affiliate marketing works, and that affiliate marketing is one of the best business models you can set up. Your next step should be to actually execute what you just learned. And if you want to see how to execute everything step by step, you can click this video somewhere here where I explain step by step where to click, which website to visit, how to create your landing page, everything in a more technical stuff. So go ahead, click that, and I'll see you in this video. Cheers.